There's a proposed 5 bedroom duplex that I'm designing right now that I would like to show you guys how far I've gone with the design and what the design is all about, how the design, the concept of the design. So please follow me as I show you the design. This is the floor plan. Although this is a presentation drawing right now. This is a presentation drawing, the floor plan. This is the front elevation. This design is actually beautiful because of the color combination. You understand? The color combination made it very beautiful. This is the major entrance. This is the entrance here. I use this railing to protect the corridor. You understand? The sit out. This rail is protecting it. The facade is very beautiful. The fenestration is actually cool. This is the front elevation. So I'll be rotating. This is the side elevation. This is the side elevation. This design is 100% designed by King's Architects. In case you want us to design for you, just contact us on WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, King's Architects and Building Construction. We design and build, we are the best in our field. Just contact us for your construction drawings and your building projects. We will deliver 100%. So, this is the back of the building. This is the back. This is the right side of the building. You see this window started from this window is a unique window. I used cotton wool to design this. It started from the ground to the last floor in order to throw enough light at the staircase. This is the staircase side. That's why this is like this. You understand? So at the rooftop has a swimming pool. This is one of the unique things here. There's a swimming pool and a gym at the rooftop. This door here is the gym, is the proposed gym. Here is going to be the gym. They can decide to put snooker here, you understand? Snooker game here at this empty point. So I'm going to show you the interior design of the building. This is the building interior. This is the bedroom. This is the living room. You get. This is the kitchen. This is the fridge. This door right here will take us to the backyard, to the balcony at the backyard. You understand? This is a dining, as you can see. This is the staircase. You understand? This is the staircase. So please always contact us for your building design, all your architectural drawings. You can see the environment. There is enough trees for ventilation. The plants actually give out oxygen and receive carbon dioxide, so it moderates the temperature of the environment. You understand? That's why I planted these trees. This is the car park, as you can see. This is where the car will be parked. You can see the cars. So This is one of our best. We are the best in the building industry. Please contact us if you want us to design your building and to oversee the building project. Thank you. This is King's Architects and Building Construction. I'm Okechukwu Success.